Launching a DeFi wallet? Give users true ownership with security, speed, and a seamless experience. At Oodles, we design, build, and ship non-custodial and MPC wallets, mobile, web, or extension, integrated with DeFi protocols and fiat ramps, ready for real-world adoption. We build your wallet your way with non-custodial and MPC key management, multi-chain and cross-chain connectivity, in-app swaps, lending, staking, portfolio, and NFT tracking with live prices, fiat on-off ramps for easy entry and exit, and institutional-grade security with biometrics, anti-phishing, and audits. We optimize routes for best price and fees, surface real-time APY and gas insights, and streamline approvals so users act faster with fewer prompts. We build them across Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, BNB, L2S using TypeScript, Rust, Solidity, React Native, with 1-inch Avi, Lido integrations, Layer 0, Wormhole, or Axelar for cross-chain, and MoonPay or Transact for fiat. With 260-plus blockchain projects over 10-plus years, Oodles delivers wallets that perform, protect, and scale, on time and audit-ready. Ready to launch a wallet users trust and love? Let's design, build, and ship it fast and secure.